Pneumonia in babies. This lung infection can be scary for parents, but with knowledge and action, we can navigate the situation effectively. Throughout this video, we will cover understanding pneumonia in babies. We'll explore how pneumonia affects tiny lungs and the different causes of pneumonia in babies. Warning signs to watch for, the symptoms that might indicate your baby has pneumonia, seeking medical attention, when to rush to the doctor, and what to expect during diagnosis. Treatment options for babies. How pneumonia is treated in babies depending on the causes and severity. Soothing your little one. How to comfort your baby while they recover from pneumonia. Preventing pneumonia in babies. On how to safeguard your baby's lungs. I'm not a doctor, but I have been researching and gathered knowledge from the source provided by the World Health Organization (WHO). Link is in the description. There you will find comprehensive information regarding pneumonia in babies. Understanding pneumonia in babies. Babies' lungs are still developing, making them more susceptible to respiratory infections like pneumonia. This infection inflames the air sacs in the lungs, making it difficult for babies to breathe. Just like in adults, pneumonia in babies can be caused by viruses. RSV and influenza are common culprits in babies. Bacteria. Streptococcus pneumonia is a frequent bacterial cause. Warning signs to watch for. Recognizing the signs of pneumonia in babies is crucial for early intervention. Here is what to watch out for. Cough. A cough is a common symptom, but in babies it might be a wet cough or wheezing. Fever. A rectal temperature of 104 degree Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius or higher in babies under the age of 3 months is a red flag. Difficulty in breathing. Rapid breathing, flaring nostrils or chest retracting, pulling in and out with each breath are sign of trouble. Poor feeding. If your baby is refusing to feed or seems tired while eating, it could be a sign of difficulty breathing. Irritability, unusual fuzziness, or lethargy can indicate your baby isn't feeling well. Seeking medical attention. If you notice any of these warning signs in your baby, don't hesitate to seek immediate medical attention. Early diagnosis and treatment are crucial for speedy recovery. The doctor will likely perform a physical exam, listen to your baby's lungs with the stethoscope, and might order a chest x-ray or other tests to confirm pneumonia and identify the cause. Treatment options for babies. Treatment for pneumonia in babies depends on causes and severity. Viral pneumonia. This treatment focuses on relieving symptoms like fever and congestion. Fluids, rest, and medication might be recommended. Bacterial pneumonia. Antibiotics are prescribed to fight the infection. Depending on the severity, hospitalization might be necessary for close monitoring and oxygen therapy if needed. Soothing your little one. While your baby recovers, you can provide comfort by plenty of cuddles and skin-to-skin contact, using a humidifier to ease congestion, elevating your baby's head while sleeping, offering frequent feeds of breast milk or formula, preventing pneumonia in babies. The good news is that there are ways to protect your little one from pneumonia. Vaccination. Vaccinating your baby against influenza and pneumonia and pneumococcus is crucial. Frequent hand washing. Wash your hand thoroughly and keep others away from coming in close contact if they are sick. Breastfeeding. Breast milk provides antibodies that can help fight off infection. Avoid secondhand smoke or passive smoking. Smoking irritates the lungs and increases the risk of pneumonia. Remember, early detection is a key. If you have any concern about your baby's health, always consult with pediatrician. Pneumonia in babies can be serious, but with prompt medical attention and proper care, most babies recover fully. By following these tips and being aware about your baby's health, you can help keep them safe from this illness. With knowledge about pneumonia in babies, don't forget to like and subscribe for more information, content related to child health. If you found this video helpful, share it with other parents and families. By working together and spreading awareness, we can create healthier environment for our little ones. Thanks for joining me today. and take care of yourself and those precious little ones.